Get ready for True or False Quiz, Islam Edition. Let's go. The Quran was revealed to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, over 23 years. True. Fasting during the month of Ramadan is the fourth pillar of Islam. True. Muslims believe in only 4 prophets. False. The Kaaba is located in Medina. False. Zakat is mandatory charity in Islam. True. Eid al-Adha is celebrated after the completion of Hajj. True. Prophet Isa, peace be upon him, is referred to as Jesus in Christianity. True. Friday is considered the holiest day of the week in Islam. True. The Quran has 114 chapters, known as surahs. True. Alcohol is permissible in Islam in moderation. False. The first revelation to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was read. True. Muslims face east when praying Salah. False. There are 6 articles of faith in Islam. True. The Battle of Badr was the first major battle in Islam. True. The Quran was revealed in the Arabic language. True. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was born in Mecca. True. It is obligatory for every Muslim to perform Hajj at least once in their lifetime, if able. True. Laylat al-Qadr occurs in the last 10 nights of Ramadan. True. Muslims believe in the Trinity. False. The Hijri calendar is based on the lunar cycle. True. How many did you get? Comment down below and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Assalamu Alaikum.